how to record Google Meet video call on laptop. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily record your Google Meet video call on your laptop. So to get started, go ahead and open Google into your browser and then click on this app icon at the top right of your screen and then look for Google Meet. And then once you find it, open it up, and then in here, you can go ahead and start a new meeting. You can go ahead and schedule a meeting. And then you can also enter the code that you need to join to on Google Meet. So for example, I want to start with an instant meeting. I'll simply select that and then an instant meeting would be created. So in here, as you can see, you'll be able to find your Google Meet link. You can also invite others by clicking on this add others button. And then to be able to record your Google Meet on the Google Meet app itself, you need to click on this meeting tools. And then under this, you'll be able to find this record option. So this feature is unavailable for me since this feature is only available for those Google Meet premium users. So if you have a premium account on Google Meet, you can go ahead and record it, transcribe it, do a live stream, create breakout rooms, create polls and Q&A. And that is how you can basically record Google Meet on PC.